Best body pillow. Best plush and soft pillow. If you want to buy a pillow with a soft filling, you must purchase the Leedan pillow that comes with 100% microfiber to exhibit the qualities of a soft and comfortable pillow. You can cuddle the pillow while sleeping, and its softness would help you take a deep sleep. The pillow will support the neck and head muscles, and you can sleep with a relaxed mind. Brand: Leedan. Soft and luxurious pillow. Simply Slumber is the top-rated company up till now in delivering the best pillows. The product is made with memory foam and is the ultimate comfort source for people who love to sleep with their pillows. The soft and luxurious touch would relax your mind, and you'll sleep without any trouble. Thus, enjoy your sleep and buy the pillow that could serve you a long time. Brand: Simply Slumber. Cross-cut soft pillow. Coop Home Goods is always best in facilitating with unique and different bedding products. Its cross-cut pillow is best for pregnant women, and they can support their bodies along with the pillow. Say bye to sleep-deprived nights and buy this fantastic product to get the ultimate benefits. It's affordable and readily available. Brand: Coop Home Goods.